Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Salesforce Authenticator app. First, you'll have to go and open Salesforce on your browser, and what you should do is to simply log in into your account, and if you don't have one, you can simply sign up by using your Google email. So here, as you can see, it will ask me for some information. I will fill it, then come back. And now here, as you can see, after filling in all the information, it will ask you to enter the inbox of your email that you have typed. So now I'm gonna open my email inbox, then come back. Now here, as you can see, when I open my Gmail inbox, I'll find this email. Just tap on it, then click on verify account, and after that they will jump you directly to this page. Just click on reset password, and now you will have to enter a new password for yourself. And now you will have to change the password, and the password should contain 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. Then click on change password after you type the password, and now it will ask you some questions. Just answer them. I'll just answer them randomly, and after you log in into your account, it will show you here this page. Now what you should do is to simply go and navigate on the top right corner, then choose settings right here, and after you choose settings, go here on the left side, choose advanced user details, and now after clicking on advanced user details, now you'll have to click on this option right here, app registration one-time password authenticator. So click on connect, and now they will send you a verification code to your Gmail account or any email that you have connected. So here I will open my inbox on my phone, then here I have the code, then click on verify, and now it will ask you to do all these steps. And to do these steps, now let's jump into my phone, and now we will have to go to App Store or Play Store. Then after that, you'll have to search for Salesforce Authenticator. So I'm going to search for it, as you can see. Then now you will have to install it on your phone. And now what you should do is to simply go and open the application on your phone. And now you will have to enter the verification code that is displayed here in the application. And after you enter the code, the account will be successfully connected. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.